Hello and welcome to the channel, you guys. It's a different setup right now because I have been thinking to upgrade my jewelry collection lately, and that's why we are here at Kushal's store in Pune. Instead of doing like a general haul video, I thought that I'd show you the entire shopping process here at the store itself. So let's get in. Guys, I've just stepped in, but already I can see that I'm going to be spoiled with options today. So this is like the zircon section. I want to see something like a little heavier pieces here, like maybe for some wedding guests or like Rakhi or something like that. So let's see what all we have over here. Okay, I picked up this earring and this is such a nice geometric shape with the zircon ka detailing, and I absolutely love it. Like I can wear it for everyday wear. It goes really nicely with this one as well. Okay, right now I tried this neck piece. It's like a chunky style and I'm so in for it. Like this silver, like this geometric shape with this like infinity style. Like it's zircon, but at the same time it's like fun, chunky, and something you can wear with western wear as well. So this is a really nice piece. Guys, I found such a unique piece over here. This is like a tennis necklace sort of a style. However, this has an attachment over here and you can detach it and make it a tennis bracelet as well, which is such a unique concept. Like I would definitely buy something like this. I'm at the silver 92.5 section and this piece that I found is so cute for everyday wear. It's like a layering situation. So these are two different layering pieces and they are so dainty and pretty. So I'll just try it out here. Just look at this. There are like tiny butterfly detailing on both of them and it looks so cute. Like I would literally wear this like a daily wear as well, like just one of them. And even when you stack it together, it will be बहुत pretty लगेगा. Yeah, I'm loving this. Guys, just look at this. There are so many bracelet collections to choose from. All the tennis bracelet style and also the heavy ones are there. This is such a cute bracelet over here. Guys, you can adjust this like this so easy. It looks so dainty and cute. Look at this. So find this Kada style bracelet and I love it. It's going to be so nice for everyday wear. I found out these two cute pendants and I'll try them out right now. This first one is like a turquoise blue color and it's like this one solid piece and it's gonna look so pretty. Okay, now on this side of the western wear pieces, these are some cool like hoop earrings, like everyday wear hoop earrings. I literally wear hoops all the time. And ye hai thode se the maximalist kind of the statement earrings, you know, the ones that you can wear for like nice occasion, beach wear, or even for a brunch or something. Like look at them, they're so statement. You wear one of these pieces and your outfit is complete. Guys, look at this, is so cool. I love how dangly this is and pretty and like, wow, this is like a main character earring, I would say. Guys, I found these cool pieces. These are like western wear, like an enamel style, a copper base kind of a style. Look how cute these are. I'll just quickly show you 3-4 of them and how it looks like. I feel like this will look so pretty with something like a flowy dress or something. One thing that I also enjoy doing is actually stacking up rings together. Like these are really dainty and tiny rings that I have like paired up together and I'm wearing it together and it looks very pretty, very dainty and nice. This only on its own will also look good, but stacked up together is also looking really cool. Okay, now the most exciting part, the everyday wear jewelry. There is going to be so much over here. We have this pearl wala designs also, and then we have these dainty also. We have some chunky also. There is this bird sort of a design over here. It's like a heavy one, but it's very pretty and I'm excited to try out a few of them for you guys. I put on the first one. This is like this pearl design with this छोटा सा heart detailing over here with like this gold sort of a detailing and heart detailing and pearl detailing. Like I love this one so much. It's an everyday piece, even like college wear or something. You can wear this all the day, all time, and it will go with like shirts, tops, t-shirts, and cute tops as well. Like सबके साथ जाएगा ये. I love this. This is the cute snake design. It looks so fun. I love this sort of a V style that it is giving. It will go so well with V-neck tops as well. And then we will try this bird one also. Look at this little bird design. It is so fun. I've never seen anything like this. It's like a very showstopper neck piece. Lastly, I tried this something fun style. It's like in this gold color and there are like multiple rings wala style over here. I really like this one. I would wear this when I want to dress up my basic tops or something like that. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it. I will just finalize what I want to get. Well, I got a lot of stuff today.
So you should definitely check out Kushal's store because this is fashion ki favorite jewelry.
Use code Tanisha20 to get 20% off on your in-store purchases.
Be it whatever occasion, like a date or every day or any occasion, like we have so many functions coming up, and I think you will find something for whatever you're looking for. That's pretty much it. Bye.